Using Chinese wisdom, define cleaning standards with hardcore technology, reshaping cleaning efficiency. We're committed to serving the global market, provide more efficient, environmentally friendly, durable cleaning solutions. Anhui World Brush Co. Ltd. Since its establishment in 2013, we have been committed to the research and production of cleaning brushes, technological innovation that keeps pace with the times, promote business from the field of environmental sanitation, continuously extending into the industrial sector. Today in the world's 6,000 square meter smart factory, 12 fully automatic production lines work day and night, 10 million brushes produced annually, match almost all cleaning vehicle models worldwide. Continuously moving towards the world, the company has now passed the iOS 9001, CE and other certifications. Won multiple honors such as High-Tech Enterprise. Relying on digital management, the company realizes the intelligence of the entire process of environmental sanitation. Brush production, preparation from brush silk, the entire production process of finished brushes, accurately control every step, from high-strength PP bristles, integrated molding process, continuously e-rating product production technology, with world-class quality, create a high cost-performance ratio of 1:3, more than 10 patents. It has also built a technological moat, from bristle tension test to hardness and wear resistance testing. Each bristle, they all carry world quality declaration. The wafer brushes produced by the company: disc brush, rolling brush, stripe brush, forklift brush, high-strength polymer bristles, corrugated steel wire, products such as heat-treated flat steel wire, with unique advantages. Highly praised. The brush blade adopts advanced fuse injection technology, has ultra-high durability, disc brush support, multiple bristle fillings, and customized services. Rolling brush relies on core patented technology, excellent performance. The strip brush adopts an integrated molding process, sturdy and durable, unrestricted length. Forklift excavator brush, durable and reliable. Easy replacement of brush unit. At the same time, the company relies on its independent research and development capabilities, acceptable for various products, design and customization. Meet different market demands. The company always values customer feedback. Provide comprehensive support to customers. Customers spread across North America, Europe, and the Middle East, across the globe, including Southeast Asia, and with Korean BOBCAT. JCB Excavator UK Parts Center, Dongyue, Shandong. Renowned enterprises such as Zoomlion establish a deep cooperative relationship based on local conditions. Looking globally, Anhui World Brush Co. Ltd. Adhere to the concept of green development, accelerate digital transformation, continuously optimizing products and services, continuously breaking through industry bottlenecks, continuously exploring new possibilities for cleanliness. World Brush Industry. Speak with cleaning efficiency.